2021 to 2023 Ford F-150 USB replacement. What's up, everybody? I'm in a newer Ford F-150 and I'm going to be replacing this USB port right here. It's right here. You go from the top and the bottom to get to it, to get it out. Now, the best thing to use would be a plastic pry bar interior tool because you can't scratch anything on your dash when you use it. But I couldn't. It wasn't strong enough. I had to use a flathead. I don't like using flatheads because it can leave scratches or gouges, but the plastic pry bar wouldn't reach in here and it wasn't strong enough. But you want to get under the USB port in the panel with your flathead, and you want to push. There's like a little plastic compression little spring in there, and you're going to push on both sides, and you want to work them and pull this guy out like this. And then see what I mean right here? It kind of leaves a little like roughness on the thing, but when the USB port is installed though, it'll cover that up. But I just don't like using a flathead if I could help it. We're gonna unplug this right here, and then we're gonna unplug this one. This other one has like a little tiny baby tab you have to push down and pull the connector backwards. Always pull by the connector, don't ever pull by the wires because you'll rip the wires. But here it is when it comes out. Here's the part number on the side. If yours has the U on it, you could disregard it. Here it is on Amazon. This is an aftermarket one, but it actually covers a ton of different part numbers. This is what it looks like. It's basically the one. I actually called Ford and asked them about the part numbers listed in the description, and they said that those part numbers match up for this truck. So I highly recommend going aftermarket. It's almost $50 cheaper than going for an OEM Ford one. Plus, you can't find a Ford one on the Amazon site, so you have to go to the dealer to get it. But anyways, once you get your new one, we're just going to come in here and plug in the connectors. I do the black one first like that. Make sure you don't stress the wires out. And then the black connector is kind of tough because there's like a connector within a connector, so you got to kind of be patient and line that up good. Plug that in, and then we'll push this back into place. It should snap into place and lock, and then that's pretty much it, guys. So thanks for watching. Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. I got a 15% off AUXITO.com promo code. Now, AUXITO has a bunch of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket headlights. So if you got an older car, 80s, 90s, 2000s, even a newer car, if it has a bulb, they probably got an upgraded bulb for you. You may have seen aftermarket LED headlights on Amazon, but the thing, I'm not going to say any names, but the thing is, they have a lot of issues. Sometimes they start to flicker after a few months, or they get hot and the LED burns off. AUXITO headlights come with integrated fans and modules that control all that stuff. So these are plug and play, super easy to put in. These are available on Amazon. You can get them there. However, if you go to the website and use the promo code GearmoAuto, you can get 15% off. It's really easy. All you got to do is go to the website on your phone or your computer and then put in what kind of car you have, what year, make and model, you know, that stuff. And then it'll display to you all of the available lights for your vehicle. You can get headlights, tail lights, interior lights. Highly recommend getting some good interior lights. You'll be surprised how bright it is. So just type GearmoAuto in at the checkout and you'll get 15% off.